TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 2 p.m. Eastern time on Monday. 2 hours left to go in the trading day, and we got all the markets right near session highs. S&P is pulling it up. Currently trading, S&P futures up 13 points, make it 14 points now at 3,056. You see the action from the end of last week on Friday. We trade higher overnight. You fall out of bed at 4 a.m., and we've clawed back all those losses, then some, right up near where we ended last week. NASDAQ 100 up 38 points, 95.97. We're now above where we were to end Friday action. We just hit a high of 96.05 within about the last half hour. Dow 30, 25,466. See a little bit of a difference, not quite up to that level. Where we sold off from, that high, about 25,519, about 60 or 70 points from that price level. Crude with volatility in both directions today. There's your action in crude. Excuse me. Selling off at 9 in the morning, down to a low of 34.30. We trade all the way up $1 to 35.30. Currently trading at 35.09. Gold contract volatility as well from 17.61 down to a low at about 10 a.m. of 17.37. Gold trading at 17.49. And we got the silver contract catching a bid up 27 cents, reached a high of 18.95, and the price of silver currently trading at 18.77. In terms of headlines out there, that is the action that drove the early action. You see the time print, 4:47 a.m. The sell-off, China halting some of the U.S. farm imports and threatening a trade deal. So the details, getting into that, Chinese government officials told major state-run agricultural companies to pause purchases of some American farm goods, including soybeans, as Beijing evaluates the ongoing escalation of tensions with the U.S. over Hong Kong. So the market getting that news, selling off, but pretty remarkable. Talk about a resurgence back to the S&Ps. We're right up there near highs. And for some context here, the NASDAQ, you back this out. I mean, we're approaching all-time highs here in the NASDAQ. Talk about clawing it back. 95.96 right now, the highs of 97.63 back to February. S&Ps on a longer time frame, 3,400. We're currently trading at 3,056. Almost tough to remember that we were almost flirting with under 2,000. It looked like it was heading at one point. 2174. I'm up almost 1,000 points in that S&P. Stay tuned, folks. We're going to man Dave White coming up live with the Power Trading Hour from 2 till 3 p.m. Tom O'Brien live from 3 till 4. First trading day of June. 2 hours left to go in the trading day. Stay tuned, folks. Live programming for the rest of the day. Dave White coming up live right now.